which inequality is not true? Okay. First of all, that's important in inequality. Inequality just means that it's not equal. Inequality. It's unequal. Okay? So that's when we use the greater than, less than signs. Now remember, the sign is going to face the number that is larger. The number that has more value, not necessarily the longest number. It is highly important to stack your answer choices and add ghost zeros when you're dealing with looking at inequalities that have decimals. So I'm going to start with A, and I just stack my numbers like this. And I'm going to put the one they say is bigger at top. So they're saying that 7.75 is bigger than 7.675. It's going to help me by adding this ghost zero, and then I check by checking across. Starting with the largest place value, the ones place, 7 and 7 are the same. That doesn't help me. My next is my 10th place, 7 and 6. Well, 7 is bigger than 6, so this is a true statement. Now remember, they want to know which one is not true. On these questions, I always go true, true, false, true, whichever answer it is, right? And I put off to the side if it's true or not. When I say it's wrong, sometimes it makes me confused because I'm like, wait, no, it's right because it's wrong, or it's wrong because it's right. So I'd rather just say true and false to help me pick the odd man out. Now, here's the next one. It's saying 6.9 is greater than 6.875. Again, I'm going to add my ghost zeros, and I look at my place values. 6 in the ones place, that doesn't help me. I move to the 10th. We have a 9 and an 8. 9 is bigger than 8, so B is also a true statement. Sorry. C, we have 3.275 and 3.375. Now I want you to pay attention. They're saying the second number is bigger. So let's check. Ones in ones place, same. Next door to the tens place, 2 and 3. Okay, that's not the same. 3 is larger than 2, so this is also a true statement. So now let's look at D. Notice again, it also has the sign facing the opposite way, so this number is what they're saying is bigger. So 2.675 is less than 2.65. Again, I'm going to put my ghost zero. Okay, they think this number is bigger, so remember, we're seeing that if this number is bigger. 2 and 2, that doesn't help me. 6 and 6, that doesn't help me. 7 and 5. 7 is bigger than 5, so this number is the bigger number, or the larger value, so let's see. Ooh, but this is 2 and 675 thousandths is less than 2 and 65 hundredths. This is a false statement, and they want to know which one is not true, so here's our answer. That is a false statement. It is not true.